anything to be considered harmful is AI generated and is done in a professional environment.
I fall asleep on a bitch, but some paper, bro, I'm woke as fuck. Gone with that drunk shit, you just bumped my cup. If somebody spill that, then I'ma spill some blood. Detroit, you know what's getting good. Bullets hit your back in your chest like you was getting hooked. Choked her and she liked it, she be getting fucked. Trigger like a feather, if I pull it, then you getting plugged. Now when ball heads on the bullet, so you getting plugged. Got my money working for me, Ben Frank, employee of the month. We ain't got the brakes on this, then you getting stuck. All designer kicks, I'm finna show your ass glitches with the fire pin. I be proud when niggas say that shit that I be saying. Where you wanna go, Mr. Faces, what the driver said. Wherever the paper at.
Oh, you're right, wow,
yeah. Baby, shake back. Wonder how to rap. Let me sign you in escape class. Good at eyeball, like you find a needle in a haystack. So if I say 3-5, nigga, take that. That's a demon on the side, why chase that? Doing too much slide, man. I ain't talk to her and I still text her with your fake ass. First striker that I ever sold was a gray scat. Don't make your pape last, make your pape stack. We robbed a nigga, he still tryna get his pape back. If that's my bitch, she ain't weak, nigga straight bad. In a whip is futuristic shit, but the tank gas. I don't make twerk music, bro, this ain't that. So don't put me on your song, talking about shake that ass. She gon' do whatever I want, I ain't gotta say nothing. You see me in the video with a switch, and that's a fake button. If I get caught up with a bitch, I'm still gon' play dumb. I just grab some of that Trish if the Quay gone. I feel like Doug, they just sent another bankroll. We mixing perp with the touch to get the taste gone. I gave a paper to the attorney, get the case gone. He think he finna get some pussy, she some bait though. I set a nigga up if it's about my money. I ain't going broke, it's all about respect though. I'm on some bullshit, I'm skied up with a tech on. All my money turning blue like I ain't checked on it. Red and blue lights look green to me, I'm still gon' step on it. She want a room with a balcony, get stretched on it. You know, been working hard for a week, I've been stealing sleep. It's so hard to stay about the streets, I've been stealing cleats. She don't run her mouth, she just eat. That's a bitch.
She talking about that trail shit. They got the white man over there, big bro.
Another boy. I got one, man. I'm just trying to get whatever somebody else.
Go Scat right here. Go Beamer. Then we go motherfucking. Y'all know what this is right here, bro. I don't even gotta say too much, bro. Y'all see it. Bro. Got green baby hook right here. Go SRT. Another SRT. Scat. Man, we young nigga doing this shit, bro. Bro. Ain't gonna lie, I'm finna just be recording this shit the whole time, shit. Might as well get some content in out this bitch. Ah, damn! But they been fucking this little shit up over here. Okay then. Y'all see how we get it tracked? Man, we finna kick it to 8. We finna kick it to 8, bro. This shit finna go crazy. Y'all see this shit a movie. Real life. Oh yeah. Fuck y'all, we got caught at the light. I'm starting this bit back when we get from this motherfucking light. Oh shit, never mind. We got the bro right here. We got the bro right here. Then we got another bro right there. Then we got another one right there. And then y'all know that shit go all the way back. Yeah. Okay then, motherfucker, that B-roll out. Oh yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga, bad shit. Y'all know. shit.
Put on, nigga jump back in the car.
Oh, God.
All pulling over in that bitch.
Shit, boy. We going crazy. My boy shot in the motherfucker. Yeah. Okay then. My nigga Rashad going crazy. Man, we in some geek shit, bro. All summer, bro. On bro. Huh? Grind don't stop, bro. We still going, bro.
This shit live, man.
This shit going on, bro. This shit really going on. Yeah. My boy got an SRT. Alright, y'all, bro. We finna go to 889, bro. Shit, nigga just left from the liquor store. Shit.
That shit, bro gon' be mad at me. Ain't even about no cash. It's out the love. Get on his ass for free. I'm talking about hop out on the nigga with a no mask is key. I'm talking about do a nigga just like a hoe, clap a nigga ass on beat. She throw that ass for me. She know I got cash on me. She hate when
Oh yeah.
get on that drink. That shit make her mad at me.
Okay then. The boys in this bitch, y'all know it.
She glad to see me. She hate when the nigga get out them drugs. I be getting sad on Kiki. I ain't embarrassed on Kiki.
Okay then. Y'all see how we coming in the mall, boy, y'all see it? We hopping out of traffic with it, nigga. We out of traffic with it, nigga. Yeah.
I wake up every day serving J. I don't do no fucking rapper. Then my bro don't speak on me.
Yeah.
My little shit right here, she bite. Poppin' her just like they my height. When I kill her, she go night. She call me when she won't act right. I call her, I ain't had a bad night. We record.
Finally at the motherfucking function, bro. Bro, niggas at the function now, bro. Man, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? That's a fucking Honda. Behind us. Niggas in a Honda, bro. I gotta get on this side, bro. That's where the guys at. Got Jalen up there. Slim, Fredo, Tino in that bit. Got Baby Hulk in that bit. Shit. Man, that bit doing it though. That bit.
I'm gonna pay some money to be out here.
Alright.
You got police out there, bitch?
Huh? Huh? How the fuck?
Take it up, baby. Take it up.
Huh? I know she told me to stay with y'all.
I just said tighten it up.
Oh yeah, I'm talking the lady back there.
Why by the Scat? Oh, you wanna know why niggas here, fool? Niggas, you know Pluto? 10 foot up, be like, what the fuck?
No.
Come on, shit. Say you got.
Before you say that she the one, remember at one point she was going. Now we got money to buy our cars, at one point they was stolen. Now my niggas who ball for life, I'm pissed off what I showed. Gotta have a trigger finger no more, bro, you just gotta lay my heart up on the stage, nigga. I done lost my fucking voice. If you ain't got no bag, you can't be mad, nigga, that was your fucking choice. Where I come from, nigga, it's hard for niggas just to make some noise. Slime me out, I'm on your ass like damn, I throw me in face with boys. All my niggas always play with buttons, and hell no, bro, these ain't no toys. Keep that front door closed, cause all that in out shit gon' make me know it. Bro just pulled a 4 in a 12-ounce pop, I think he tryna me float. They show me love, I get free Carmar socks every time I go on tour. I don't want your love if it's fake. In the slums with the Drake. In my hood, I'm a great. I gave niggas some when I only had a lid on my plate. In the hood with no plate, smoking the wood.
Let me see who really having most of this. They do it.
Let's go!
Can't be riding around the city like you hit, you know you get. Can't be fucking with these niggas. I ain't fucking with these bitches. I get paid to walk up this queen of ladies in the city.
He ain't no fuck up better!
Money rapper, son, I know. What the fuck?
Hey, what you got? Freaky bitch!
Hey, money, kind of walk in club and take off your.
Oh shit, Sean. Yo, we got this bitch busting.
Man, little baby a demon. I still be putting on the same old clothes. I don't care if they already seen it, nigga. I don't care if they already seen it, nigga. Same with clothes. I don't care if they already. I don't give a fuck, nigga. This fit cost me $5,000. I'll wear this bitch every day if I want to. Alright. I wear this fit for 2 days. Hard decision, I can fuck 2 bitches or make 2 plays. But y'all know I'm going to that hate. They make me feel home when I'm in Cali. They love me in the Bay. I got the brr, Fredo got the K. Turn the music up and cherry tops behind us. I think they tryna chase. Smokers out, bro. I forgot the name. Overthinking next barbecue.